Yeah, vlogs. I stay in an old house with a cow barn, a chicken cage, and a pomegranate garden. Azerbaijan homes appear to have typical layouts and habits. Every yard has a table with plastic cover and a sink to wash fruits, vegetables, and your tea. Before dinner, everyone drinks tea with honey-dipped berries served in glass holders, all with different designs and coupled with glass containers full of must-have sugar and candy. The wooden door entrances often have white lace curtains, which are lovely to touch.
Familiar?
What is it?
You familiar with this?
No?
اگر نه یا چطور نبینم اگر میگه چیزی گردم اگر
خیلی ازشی
And Janan had his favorite meal in Yevlax when we stayed in a big local family.
Yeah.
I think it was 12 people. But anyway, so it was first time to have such a big dinner.
Şerefe! Şerefe! Aksaklar var şerefe! Şerefe! Sağ ol.
Video aldım.
Çok sağ ol.
Ama arada sağ ol, Allah tanrını sağ olasın.
And yeah, Janan's really enjoyed it.
I was surprised by the greatness of the meal. I would never imagine by the first impression of the family located inside of the countryside and surrounded by all the
Animals. So many animals.
yeah.
Turkey.
It's like a cool, crabby countryside house, but you cannot imagine what's
Inside.
yeah. It's like what's inside is like a city house. I like the inside is clean. There's no flies, no bugs, and the food is so good.
I think that you and I have like different kind of, how should I say? Because I really like Kamnan's house food, like one main dish and like a lot of like veggies and fruits, but Janan likes meat, a lot of meat dishes and
Of course.
watermelon and a little bit salty.
Of course. I love meat.
And we also met like really good cyclers on the way. I mean, you met with Alex and Linux, and also we came to Azerbaijan with our group with Pascal. And how was the food? Like, can you name one Azerbaijan food you can remember? No, I don't know.
I remember how they look, how they appear, how they
Well,
taste.
they always have yogurt. In every dish, there's a yogurt.
Hey, yogurt with
Tomato and cucumber always.
I mean, yeah, the yogurt with the grass in it.
It's called havok. That grass is called havok.
That
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the story.